guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a hair tutorial for you. We are doing some big beachy waves, super easy, pretty quick. So if you want to learn how I got this look, stay tuned. I'll see you soon. First, I am taking a clip and I'm going to part my hair at the top of my ears all the way back. After I clip that up, I'm just going to split my hair down the middle and then bring my hair forward. Taking my 1.5 inch barrel curling iron, I'm just going to start from the top of my hair, curling my hair outwards away from my face. I'm taking 1/2 inch about, rolling it, and then letting some more hair in, rolling it, and all the way at the end. Then I'm going to let it set in my hand for a little bit and then let it drop. I like to set my curls with my hands a little bit, especially if I'm doing a wave. That way I feel like they last longer. The top of my hair kind of weighs my curls down, and I usually don't like them to be too flat by the end of the day. After I'm done with the other side of my hair, I am going to part my hair at the top of my brow bone line. Doing the same method as I did before, all the way back and down the middle. Repeating the first steps you had done earlier, you're just going to take a piece of your hair or a section of your hair, start from the top, let a little out, roll it back up. You want to get it as close to the scalp as possible for those big waves. Also making sure that you try to hold your curling iron at a horizontal line. That's going to make your curls more of a wave instead of a cylinder. Alright, now that I'm pretty much done curling the rest of my hair, I'm just going to do the top. Here I'm trying to find my part. I wanted to do a middle part, but it was just not working out. To find your part, an easier way is just comb your hair back and shimmy, 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 and there it is. That's the way it wants to go. I'm just going to part that. I like to do this because I feel like I have a lot more hair on the top of my head, so this way I can get better curls throughout my hair. Here I'm curling my bangs outwards, all directions outwards, and then just bending it in ways to frame my face. That way it sets that way. For my bangs, I'm taking my curling iron and flipping it over, but I'm still curling my hair out. So make sure that you're bending out and away from your face. I'm just gonna still curling it out under, but I'm gonna bump it a little bit more and then twist and then curl out just so I get that nice wave underneath. Now I'm just looking for straight pieces. Found one. We're gonna fix that baby real quick. Taking my wave hairspray, I'm just gonna spray this sea salt spray into my hair. Just gives it a little light hold. I don't usually like to use a lot of hairspray. Then I'm taking my coconut oil. I love this stuff. Lasts forever, by the way. And I'm just lightly dusting my hair. Use it with caution because it is a little heavy. Don't need much. Then I'm just finger combing the rest of my hair just to loosen up the waves, and you are done. Alright guys, that is it for the video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you guys next week. Bye bye.